look like bottle caps, and they taste like grape or orange. Sometimes they taste like root beer or cola.
Was that fun trying to pick that out, Rose?
Rose, can I have one?
Oh, I want one now. Yum.
This looks like a bottle cap.
Yeah, exactly.
What's one?
It probably tastes like root beer.
Oh.
So this one for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Root beer.
I love those ones.
Uh-oh.
Do you like
Those
it?
are delicious.
Oh, yeah, I got it kind of squished up.
Yeah.
Here.
You got a knife ball?
Orange. Orange.
Let me take a look. What did you get?
You appear to be looking at your own nose. You're looking at your nose.
Orange.
Better or worse? 1 or 2?
A little better. You're looking at my M&M's.
Nemo.
Let me see
Good.
here.
Just Nemo.
Oh, dog. Come here. Odie. My camera went flying.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at
What are
it.
you eating,
Let me
Mom?
see. I think it's okay. What do you
She
think?
gave me a Tootsie Roll and some kind of taffy.
What do you think? Is it okay? Let's see.
No, I look right here. Right here. What do I get? Right here.
There it is. Is that what it looks like?
No.
Do I get to see your candy now, too?
You want to be able to see yourself
in there.
there
I had another one.
over in the other. Okay, hold on a
I know,
second.
Kayla and I shared it.
Let me see. We'll stop it.